The subconscious, the most powerful but least understood part of our lives that operates in the background. And if you don't learn to manage it, you will live a life that others determine for you. But the good news is that you can change this. Now, let me ask you a question. How many times in your life have you thought, why did I do this? Why do I keep falling into the same cycle? Maybe you keep choosing the same wrong relationships. Maybe you want to achieve success, but somehow you keep sabotaging yourself. The reason for all this is the silent but powerful commands of your subconscious mind. The concept of the subconscious has attracted the attention of researchers, psychologists, and thinkers for many years. While Sigmund Freud said that subconscious impulses and conflicts underlie human behavior, Carl Jung pointed to a deep common heritage beyond our individual experiences with the concept of the collective unconscious. Carl Jung said, "If you don't make your unconscious conscious, it will guide you. You will call it fate. If you really want to change your life, you need to hack your subconscious. If you understand how your brain works, you will learn how to access your subconscious mind. Think of it like a computer. If you write the right codes, the system changes. If you leave the wrong codes, your old mistakes will repeat forever. Your brain works on 4 basic wavelengths: beta, 14 to 30 hertz, daily conscious thoughts, stress, problem solving; alpha, 8 to 13 hertz, creativity, relaxation, light trance state; theta, 4 to 7 hertz, subconscious programming, meditation, hypnosis; delta, 0.5 to 3 hertz, deep sleep, moments when the subconscious is fully engaged. Theta wave is critical because this is where the door to your subconscious opens. When we are learning something or processing an idea, our brain switches to the theta level. So, this is the reason why we learn everything so fast as children. Until the age of 7, children's subconscious is wide open, and they take in everything without filtering. Now, the bad news for you: most of the things you recorded in your subconscious mind until the age of 7 are guiding you today. But the good news is that you can reprogram your subconscious mind. So, how can you access your subconscious mind? To access your subconscious mind, you need to disengage your conscious mind. There are several ways to do this. 1. Pre-sleep suggestions. Just before you go to sleep, your brain switches to the theta level. This is one of the most powerful times to add new information to your subconscious mind. Close your eyes and try to feel like the person you want to be in the future. Give yourself positive suggestions. Instead of saying, "I am not a failure," say, "I am becoming more successful every day." Neville Goddard calls this technique state akin to sleep and says, if you want to change your reality, first live the new story in your mind before injecting it into your subconscious mind. And yes, this is a scientifically proven technique. The brain cannot distinguish between reality and fantasy. If you repeat something, your subconscious accepts it as real. 2. Visualization, the language of the subconscious. The subconscious speaks in images, not words. What does that mean? If you want to change your subconscious mind, you have to feed it with images. Close your eyes and visualize what you want as if you are experiencing it right now. Get into the details. Imagine where you are, how you feel, even the smells. Do this every day. Why do this? Because the subconscious mind cannot distinguish between reality and imagination. Michael Jordan, the legendary basketball player, said that he always used the visualization technique in his career. Before a game, he would close his eyes and visualize, "I'm going to make that shot and everyone is going to stand up." And what happened? He made history. That's why athletes, artists, entrepreneurs use subconscious techniques, because they create in their minds the person they want to be in the future. 3. Meditation, direct access to your subconscious. How do you get into the theta wave the fastest? Meditation. Sit in a comfortable place, close your eyes, breathe deeply and focus only on your breath. Find silence in your mind. It may be difficult at first, but this process begins to reprogram your subconscious mind. Dr. Herbert Benson of Harvard University proved that meditation physically changes the structure of the brain. Regular meditation shrinks the part of the brain associated with fear and stress and increases focus. And most importantly, meditation gives you direct access to your subconscious mind. Conclusion: rewrite your life. Your subconscious mind is a silent but powerful scriptwriter. If you don't learn to control it, things you don't want in your life will keep repeating. Deep inside our minds, there is a tremendous power that guides us. Accessing this power is a valuable step to overcome obstacles and reveal our authentic selves. You can open the doors of your subconscious mind with methods ranging from meditation to hypnosis, affirmations to creativity. Remember, with each step, you get to know yourself a little more and get closer to your own truth. And most importantly, you can write your own reality. If you don't manage your subconscious mind, others will manage it for you. Thank you for watching my video. You can subscribe for more content or share your experiences in the comments section. Remember, the greatest guide is you in your heart and mind.